In this video, I'll show you how to add Telegram link to TikTok bio. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, the basic and the sole purpose of this, right, is to, let's say, add a Telegram link in case anyone wants to DM me from TikTok. So it's very easy. So I'm making this video, it's only for educational purpose only, right? So if you're an influencer or you run some TikTok advertising, right, or something like that, and you would love people to reach out to you on Telegram, this is what you're gonna do right now. This is our TikTok, right? So head over to Telegram, click on this, right? Click on your account. Your account is gonna open up. So you're gonna come on here and copy your username, right? Head over to TikTok. This is your TikTok. Click on the edit profile. This is your bio, right? I'm gonna wipe this, right? Once I wiped it, now what we're gonna do right now, listen to me, t.me / then I'm gonna paste your Telegram username. So this is it. If someone wants to DM you on Telegram from TikTok, this is what, once you click on this, the person will direct it to your DM right away. So this is how you can add Telegram link to TikTok bio. Now, I said this previously, the basic reason for this is to make you accessible easily, right, from TikTok. So if someone sees what he likes on TikTok from a profile, he can easily reach out to you on Telegram with this link. If you found this video helpful, please share thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next